Good morning, happy Monday, and welcome to today's edition of Toggle's Daily Video Insights. My name is Jan, I'm the CEO and co-founder of Toggle, and if you like these insights, please subscribe to our YouTube channel or check us out on toggle.global, where you can also subscribe to our daily brief and test drive the Toggle Copilot. Today, we're actually going to look at a company called Innoviva, which is a pharmaceutical royalty management company. So they get % of royalties for a number of different drugs that are currently being marketed in the US and elsewhere. Really what Toggle is highlighting today is that the momentum indicators across really both the short term and the long term have decelerated. However, they've decelerated so much that they may actually be too stretched on the negative side. And so over the past 12 episodes that Toggle was able to analyze, where you had a similar configuration, it actually turned out that the stock ultimately rebounded over the following 1 month, and it did so as much as 14%. So over 50% of the time, the stock ended up higher 14% by the end of the following month. As you can see here, the starting point is 1042, the target level around 1206, and the point at which the paradigm would have considered to have deviated too far from past precedents is about 962. If you look at the history below, you'll see that actually the stock has had these periodic decelerations quite frequently, but that typically they resulted in a rally subsequently. What I'll highlight is just one more situation here where you can see the variety of different horizons. As you know, Toggle always examines not just the 1 month horizon, but also the 1 week, 2 week, and all the way out to 6 months. But the strongest relationship here was between the 1 month horizon and the momentum configuration. But notice here that the range here is really quite attractive, between 4.4 and 26.6%. So only 15% of the time did the stock actually end up less than 4.4% up. So it's actually quite an interesting and compelling historical risk reward. So much for the Innoviva today. In the daily brief, we also discuss the very, very encouraging trend that we're seeing currently, battery installations. And what is particularly interesting is who is doing these installations. So if you have any interest, please check us out also in the daily brief. If you don't have one, please sign up at toggle.global, and we will see you again on Tuesday.